If you're seeing the unusual activity error on ChatGPT, don't worry, this is a pretty common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to get ChatGPT working again, step by step. We'll cover why this error happens, what to try first, and the exact settings you may need to change to get back in. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's talk about what this error usually means. ChatGPT can flag unusual or suspicious activity when it detects network issues, VPN use, proxy traffic, browser extensions, or anything that looks automated or high risk. Sometimes it's not even a problem with your account at all, it's just your connection or browser sending signals that trigger the security system. So the best approach is to go through the most common fixes one by one. The first thing to try is a quick network refresh. If you're on a mobile device, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then switch it back off. This can refresh your IP address and clear a temporary connection issue. If you're on a laptop or desktop, you can do a similar reset by disconnecting and reconnecting your internet, or by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if that's available. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. ChatGPT often blocks known VPN IP ranges, and that alone can trigger the unusual activity message. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely. If you use iCloud Private Relay or any similar privacy relay feature, disable that as well. After turning it off, go back to ChatGPT and try again. In many cases, this one step fixes the problem right away. If that doesn't work, try switching networks. For example, if you're currently on Wi-Fi, disconnect and use mobile data instead. If you're on mobile data, try a different Wi-Fi network. This helps because ChatGPT may be reacting to your current network's IP reputation. A fresh network can often get you back in without any extra changes. Now let's move on to browser extensions, because these are another very common cause. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or browser add-ons that claim to improve ChatGPT, can interfere with normal site behavior. To check this, click the puzzle piece icon in your browser's top right corner. Then choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all extensions temporarily, especially anything related to security, automation, enhancement tools, or content filtering. Once the extensions are disabled, refresh ChatGPT and see if the error is gone. If it works, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time later to figure out which one was causing the issue. This is a very useful troubleshooting method because it helps you identify the exact source of the conflict instead of just guessing. Another effective fix is clearing ChatGPT's site data. Go to chatgpt.com in your browser. Then click the lock icon or the settings icon next to the website address in the browser bar. Open Cookies and Site Data, then choose Manage On-Device Site Data. After that, clear the stored site information and refresh the page. This removes corrupted session data and can help reset any browser side issue that's causing the warning. If you're still seeing the message after that, try signing out of ChatGPT and signing back in. Sometimes your session gets stuck in a bad state, and a fresh login can resolve it. It also helps to open ChatGPT in an incognito or private window to test whether the issue is being caused by cookies, cache data, or one of your regular browser settings. You should also make sure your browser is fully up to date. Outdated browsers can sometimes create compatibility issues with modern web apps like ChatGPT. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, check for updates and restart the browser afterward. Then try again on the ChatGPT website. If none of these steps work, wait a little while and try again later. In some cases, the unusual activity error is temporary and clears on its own after the system stops flagging your connection. That said, the fixes in this video solve the issue for most users, especially if the problem is caused by VPNs, extensions, or network changes. So to recap, the main fixes are refresh your network, disable VPN or proxy tools, switch networks, turn off extensions, clear site data, and try a fresh browser session. If you follow those steps in order, there's a very good chance ChatGPT will start working normally again. If this video helped you fix the unusual activity error on ChatGPT, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.